now see our new topic. Now our new topic is, tell me what you are what is there on the screen. Yeah, and cash. Do you have any idea about this? Yeah, discount तो we all know, you also know, I also know. Okay na? Any reduction in the amount, that is called discount. Agree? But we are to understand that what is trade discount and what is cash discount. Is that clear? Now today I am going to show you that what is trade discount and what is cash discount, and how we are to deal with these both discounts. Okay, now see, are you ready? Now see what is trade discount. First I will explain you the trade discount. See the trade discount. Now see what is trade discount. What is trade discount? See, it is a reduction in the print price. Let me take one example. Suppose this image is of what? Yeah, shoes. And whenever you go to buy any product, suppose I went to market to buy this pair of shoes. Okay, and on that I found that how much amount was printed? 3000. This is the printed amount. Getting my point? Then immediately I asked to the shopkeeper that how much discount you will offer me. Okay na? So he told me that we will give you discount 10%. So 3000 is the print price, the printed amount, and it's 10%. Tell me how much? 300. Agree? So what is the net amount? 2700. So this deduction, this 300 is known as what? Trade discount. This is the trade discount. Getting my point? Because nowadays, see, all businessmen, all shopkeeper wants to sell more and more stuffs. You know that. So they give schemes to the consumers, to their to the parties, that okay, come and buy. We will offer you 50% discount. We will offer you 10%, like that. Isn't it? Just to motivate the customers. You see na, in a festival season, when you go to the market, they will offer you a big discount. Just to motivate you. Just come and buy. Isn't it? So any discount which is allowed just to motivate the customer, that discount is called trade discount. Okay. Now you read the first sentence. What is written? It is reduction in the print price of the product. It is reduction in the print price of the product. So here the product is shoe and the print price is 3000. Okay, this is the print price, and we offered the trade discount how much? 10%. So 10% of 3000 is $300. Getting my point? So this is called trade discount. And the second point is what? Why shopkeeper allowed us this trade discount? Its purpose is to increase the sale volume. Because until and unless the shopkeeper offer us trade discount, we will not mentally prepare to buy the product. The moment he offer us trade discount, immediately we make our mind to buy the product. Is that clear? So obviously it will increase the shopkeeper's sale. Getting my point? So what is its prime motive is what? To increase the sale volume. Why shopkeeper allow us trade discount? So that he might increase his sale. Getting my point? Now the third and important point. See, it is not recorded in the books of accounts. We will not pass any entry for this 300. This is the trade discount na? But for this 300 we will not pass any entry. It is not recorded in the books of accounts. Getting my point? now. And now the fourth point, it is allowed at the time of making sale. Whenever the shopkeeper will sell us, at that time he will allow us this trade discount. Okay. So what is trade discount? Reduction in print price, and its motive is what? Just to motivate the customers, just to increase the sale. So this is the motive. And the important thing which you have to remember is that it is not recorded in the books of accounts. We will not pass any entry for this 300. Are you getting my point? We will not pass any entry. Now is that clear? Now see one example I am taking, and with that example I will explain you that how to deal with this trade discount. Now see one example I have here. Are you ready? Oh sorry, this is the cash discount. Let me take one another example. Okay, let me continue with this only. This is the trade discount. Now see, the transaction will come in this manner. See, purchased goods for $2,000 less trade discount at the rate of 10%. So this is the transaction. Getting my point? Purchased what? We purchased what? Goods. We purchased for $2,000. This is the print price. Let me explain you. This is the print price, and the shopkeeper offered us trade discount. How much? 10%. Okay. Now see what we will do. Before passing the journal entry, first we will compute the amount. So this is the print price given in the question. And how much trade discount he offered us? 10%. So 2,000 and its 10% is $200. Getting my point? Now what is the net amount? $800. This is the net amount. Net amount after trade discount. Agree? And with this amount we will record this transaction. With this amount. Okay? Now see, decide what happened in the business. Goods comes in the business as we purchase the goods, and cash goes out now, because we purchased the goods and we paid the money, and goods we know it is real account, and cash we know cash is also real account. And what is the rule? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Agree? This is the entry. So now which item we are to record first? Goods na, because it is debit item. So but in place of goods we will write purchase account debit, and entry we will pass with $1,800. Getting my point? This is the net amount. With this amount we will record this transaction. Okay. And cash account credit $1,800. So this is the entry. Now tell me, agree? Understood? What we are to deal, how we are to deal with the trade discount? Just we will write first print price, then we will subtract that, the trade discount, and we will get the net amount, and with that net amount we will record that transaction. Okay. Okay, let's one more practice we will do. See one more. Sold goods for $5,000 less trade discount at the rate of 10%. This time we sold the goods. This time we are the shopkeeper. Okay. One customer is there, and he is ready to buy the product, and the print price of the product is how much? $5,000. And how much trade discount we are offering him? Less 10%. So first we will write 5,000 and less 10%. How much? 500. So what is the net amount? 4,500. Okay. And with this amount we will record this transaction. Is that clear? Now see what happened. So first think what happened in the business. Goods moves out now, and cash comes in. Now goods is a real account, cash is also real account. Now credit what goes out, debit what comes in. Cash is coming, so debit what comes in, goods gone, so credit what goes out. Agree? Now see how I will record the entry. Cash account. First I will record the debit item. Clear? And tell me, shall I write 5,000 or 4,500 here? Yeah, 4,500, 4,500. I will not write 5,000. I will not write 500. With this net amount, I will record this entry. Okay. And in place of goods, I will write what? Sales nickname. Because we are selling goods now. So that's why this nickname we will use, sales account. Is that clear? Now tell me, you understood what is trade discount and how how we will deal with the trade discount. Tell me, trade discount. You understood or not trade discount? Just to tempting the person, na? Just to attract him that come and buy the product. Okay, na? Okay. So I think this topic is clear. Now I am going to explain you the next discount. Which is the next discount? Cash discount. Our next cash discount. Now see what is cash discount. This we have to understand. Okay. Now see what is cash discount. Now you tell, are you getting my voice? Nah. Now see what is cash discount. How we will deal with this cash discount. Many times suppose we sell goods to the customers on credit basis. Suppose you are my best friend and you came to my shop. Agree? Suppose you came to me and you are my best friend and you ask that give these goods, but I will pay you money. I will pay you money later on. I do not have money right now. You just give me the goods, but I will pay you the money after 1 month. So it means you are asking goods on credit basis. Is that clear? Okay. Now I sold the goods. As you are my best friend, I know you very well. So I sold the goods to you. So and what is the price? What is the price? 2,000. I sold goods for 2,000 to you. Okay. And when you will pay me money? After 1 month. Is that clear? Now see what I am doing. I am very clever. See what I am doing. I told to you that okay, if you pay me money within a week, getting my point? Then I will give you 10% discount. This I offered. That okay, you take the goods right now. But if you pay me money within a week, within 7 days, then I will give you how much discount? 10%. So again, see what I am doing. I am just motivating the person. Na? I am just motivating you that don't delay 1 week, beyond 1 week. Within 1 week you pay if you want to enjoy the discount. So suppose I sold goods on 1st January. On which date? 1st January. And before 7th January you have to pay the money. If you want to avail this discount na, so before this date you have to pay the money. Okay? This is my policy. I give credit for only 1 week. But now see, you paid me money on 3rd January. You paid the money. After how many days? After 2 days. As per the policy, you have to pay money before 7th January. Okay? then only I will give you the discount. And now you paid me the money, you paid the money on 3rd January, so obviously I will allow you discount now. Now 2000 it's 10%, 200 I will allow you, and how much money I will take from you? 1800. So this is the so this is cash discount. Getting my point? Here the purpose of discount is what? To motivate the customer to pay prompt payment, early payment. Getting my point? Now see, two types of discount: trade discount and cash discount. Both are discount, no doubt, but the purpose is quite different. The purpose of trade discount is what? To motivate the customer to buy the product. This is the purpose of trade discount. And the purpose of cash discount is what? To motivate the customer to pay the amount as early as possible. This is the purpose. Understood? The purpose of trade discount is what? To motivate the customer to buy the goods. And here I am offering you trade discount. Cash discount I am offering you 200. And the purpose is what? Just to get money from you within a 1 week. This is the purpose. Okay, na? Now, but see, earlier I told you that trade discount, we will not pass any entry for trade discount, na? I told, na? But for cash discount we will pass the entry. For cash discount we will pass the entry. This is the major difference between trade discount and cash discount. We do not pass any entry for trade discount. Is that clear? But for cash discount I will pass the entry. Okay. Now I am showing you how we will pass the entry. I will take one example. Now see that example. Are you feeling well with me? Okay, that's good. Now see, this is one example. Now see, sold goods to Ram for dollar. This is the rupees actually, but you assume that it is dollar. Okay, na? Dollar. Sold goods to Ram. Now you first tell me, it is cash sale or credit sale? How come? Ram, name of person is given, na? Ram. Yeah, just so it is credit sale. Is that clear? Yeah. Now, and what is the amount? 5,000. We sold goods to Ram for dollar 5,000. Is that clear? Now what is the condition? We will offer cash discount. See, as per my business policy, I will offer the cash discount. Cash discount offered to him. I offered him cash discount. Him means Ram. I offered to Ram 10%. But what is the condition? Tell me what is the condition. Provided that he pays money within 1 week. This is the condition. If he pays me money within 1 week, then I will offer him cash discount 10%. Okay, now see, first we will pass entry for this transaction. First we sold the goods. We sold, na? Now what happened in the business? Goods are gone. Okay, and who got the? We didn't get the money right now because we sold goods to Ram on credit basis. So we didn't get money right now. Ram will pay us money later on. Okay. Yeah, and so that's why in place of cash we have to write Ram, because from Ram we have to recover the money. Clear? Now see, goods is what? Real. Ram is what? Personal. Now what is the rule of real account? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. And as we are as we are selling the goods, so goods gone na from the business. So credit what goes out, and goods is credited, so obviously Ram will be debited. Because apply the rule, Ram is personal, and personal account says that debit the receiver. We sold goods to Ram, it means Ram is receiving the goods, so debit the receiver. Agree? Now see what entry we will pass. See, first we will record the debit item. Ram account dollar 5000 and sales account. In place of goods we will write sales account dollar 5000. Agree? Any mistake is there? Yeah, one mistake is there. See, I have to write here apostrophe s. Okay na? Yeah, pay attention my dear. Okay. Okay, so this is the first this is the entry for this transaction. suppose this is I pass this entry on 1st January. This is the date, 1st January. On this date I pass this entry. Okay, now I have to recover money from Ram. Is that clear? And he paid me money on which date? On suppose January 4th. He paid me money after 3 days. On 1st January I sold goods to him, and on 4th of January he paid me the money. Now tell me, does he entitle for discount? Why? Yeah, this is the correct answer I was expecting from you. You are really very great. Because he paid money within a 1 week, so obviously I have to offer him discount as per my commitment. Now see how much discount I will offer. What is the amount? Tell me. 5000. Okay, now 10% I have to give him a relax 500, and I will collect only how much amount from him. Now tell me, this is a good deal for me or bad deal for me? For me. For me to bad na, because I lost na 500. Yeah, now see, anyways, but one benefit I am getting. Tell me what benefit? That I got money na within a week. This is the benefit. Just after losing 500 I got the money. Otherwise I have to wait. I don't know how many months I have to wait for just to recover money 5000. So that's why I motivated Ram. You give me 4500, leave 500. Okay. Now see, you understood this thing. Now see how to pass entry for this. What is the transaction? Now see how this question will come in the exam. This this is we received na cash. How much cash we received? We received the cash. See, we received the cash. Cash we received how much? 4500. And there is loss na in the business. There is loss na 500. We received the cash and we are suffering loss also 500. And who gave me this cash and loss? Yeah, so Ram. So I will write Ram also with 5000. Now tell me, cash is which account? Real. And discount is nominal. Because it is loss, obviously it is nominal. And Ram is personal. Agree? Now cash account will be debited. Why? Because we are receiving na money from Ram. So and real account says that debit what comes in. Cash is coming na. And as per real account we are to debit whatever amount, whatever we get in the business, we are to debit that. Okay. Now tell me, this discount is profit or loss to the business? Loss na. Now tell me, what is the rule of nominal account? All losses no rule of nominal account, debit all expenses and losses. So and losses, so discount is loss to us na. This is loss na, so we will debit this. Okay. And Ram is receiver or giver? Tell me. Here no Ram is giver. Ram is giving us na this money and this loss. So no he is giver as we are the receiver. He is giving us. He is giving us money as well as loss also. So credit the giver. What is the rule of personal account? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. And here Ram is giver because Ram is giving us money as well as the loss also. So credit the giver. Is that clear? Now see what entry we will pass. After analyzing, after doing all these things, now I will pass the entry. Okay na? This is the working actually. Now see I got, after doing this working, I get to know that which accounts are to be debited and which account will be credited. So as per the analysis, tell me which account will be debited. Cash na first. So first I will write cash account. Cash account $40 500 we got. Okay. Now I will record a debit. One more debit item is there, discount. So discount account. How much? $500. Is that clear? Now I will record the credit item, and here the credit item is Ram. So I will write Ram's account, and with $5,000. This is the entry. Agree? Understood? Yeah. See, in total, the total of debit is 5,000. See, two accounts are debit na, cash and discount. See in this entry there are three accounts, 1, 2 and 3, and out of 3, 2 accounts are debited. Both are debited na, and the total of debit is 5,000 and 5,000 na, and one item is credited and the total is also 5,000. And you know very well that debit equals to credit. Whatever amount we put in the debit column, same amount we have to write in the credit column. So total of debit is 5,000 and total of credit is also 5,000. Is that clear? So this is the entry for this transaction. Getting my point? So one more transaction I am going to explain you. Okay. Now see one more transaction. Sold goods to Mary. Sold goods to Mary, $2,000. This is the first transaction. Agree? Now second transaction, $1,800 received from Mary in a full settlement. See, there are two transactions. In the first transaction, what happened? Sold goods to Mary. Mary is the one lady, okay? And I sold goods to her for $2,000. Okay? Now in the second transaction, what happened? We received only how much amount? No, 1,800. We received from Mary in full settlement. In full settlement means, it means now no more we are to ask money from Mary. Mary paid us 1,800 in full settlement of this 2,000. Is that clear? It means we allowed her discount. How much? 200. Okay na? Because she had to pay 2,000, but she paid only 1,800. So it means we allowed her discount. That okay, no need to give 200, you just give us 1,800. Is that clear? Now see what entry we will pass for the second transaction. I am explaining entry for the second transaction, not for the first. Okay? For the second transaction, first you think what happened in the business. We got the money. We got the cash na? How much? 2,000 or 1,800? So write down 1,800. Okay? And tell me, there is loss or profit? Loss. And the name of loss is discount. How much? 200. And tell me who gave us this cash and loss? Mary. Total 2,000. Okay? First you do this on a rough page. Okay na? In the exam, whenever this type of question comes in the exam, you do this working on a rough page. Done? Understood? Now decide their category. Cash is real, discount is nominal, and Mary is personal. Okay? Now cash is coming na. So and as per the rule of real account, debit what comes in. Okay? Now this discount is loss, and as per rule of nominal account, debit all expenses and losses. Done? And Mary is a personal account, and she is giving us this money or loss na. She is giving us na. So credit the giver. Okay? Now after doing all these things, now we will pass the entry. So first we will record the debit items. So here debit items are cash account, how much? 1800. And then discount account, how much? 200. Done. And then in the next line, after leaving some space, Mary, how much? 2000. Is that clear? And if you write here account, then you have to write here apostrophe s also. Is that clear? So this is the entry. Tell me. Understood the entry? How to arrive the entry? First read the transaction, analyze what happened. Cash comes in, only 1800. There is a loss, $200. And who gave us this money and loss? Mary. Done. Then decide their category. Cash is real, discount is nominal, Mary is personal. Okay? Then apply the rule and decide that which will be debited and which will be credited. Here cash is coming, so debit what comes in. Discount is loss, so debit all losses. And Mary is the giver, so credit the giver. Done? And after doing this, first record the debit item. So here the debit items are cash and discount, and then record the credit item. Is that clear? So this is how we will record this type of transaction. Done? Now tell me, today we discussed how many topics? First I explained you what? First I explained you how to identify cash transaction and credit transaction. Is that clear? First I explained you now how to identify. See this picture I showed you. Then after I explained you the trade discount and cash discount. No, trade discount and cash discount. I explained you na? Not getting my point. I explained you this trade discount and cash discount. Okay? After that, I explained you that how to deal with the trade discount. Trade discount is what? Trade discount is just to motivate the customer to buy the goods. Okay na? Just tempting them, just attracting them. And the important thing which we have to remember regarding trade discount is that it is not recorded in the books of accounts. We will not record this trade discount. Okay? And the very one more important thing, so this is about trade discount. And cash discount, I explained you what is the purpose of cash discount, why we offer cash discount. Just to pay early payment, to pay early. Yeah, this is the purpose. Getting my point? And we will record the cash discount. Okay? In the entry we will record the cash discount. Trade discount we do not record, but cash discount we record. Okay na? So this is today's discussion. Tell me, you are enjoying my lecture? Yeah, so this is about cash discount. See this image. This is about cash discount. You just read out. It is allowed if the customer makes the payment immediately or within a fixed period. We allow cash discount only when? If he pays the money immediately, if he pays money, or within the given period. Okay? Then only we will allow cash discount. No need to write. I will give you the notes. Okay na? Just you focus on the screen. Now second point is what? Its purpose is to encourage the customer for prompt payment. Why we are allowing cash discount? So that customer pays us money immediately. Now third point is what? It is recorded in the books of accounts either as a loss or gain. Okay na? If it is loss to us, then obviously it is gain to the other party na. Suppose it is loss to me, so obviously it is profit for you. So I will record this discount as a loss, and the other party will record this discount as a gain. Agree? Now the fourth point is what? It is allowed at the time of receiving payment. When the moment we get the payment, at that time we will allow discount, not at the time of sale. We will not allow this discount at the time of sale. We will allow this discount only at the time of receiving payment. So this is all about cash discount. Okay. I am making a video call to you. Okay. So for today it's sufficient. So just I would like to interact with you through video conferencing. Hello. Yeah. Hello. Now tell me, are you getting whatever I explained? You understood it very well. Now you are, confidence is building or not? No, that is a different thing. But after getting, after having lecture, you should have no some confidence type of feeling that okay, now no really the person to whom that person is really genuine person and giving the correct thing to me. Yeah, now as compared to earlier, who taught you the accounting? Okay. And all these things, not the hidden things. Now you are feeling, I think you are feeling the confidence, na? Now you are feeling that no, accounting is this easy subject. We can't take it as a hard subject. It's too easy. I believe me, it's too easy subject. You can score full out of full grades. Okay na? Just you just work hard and just continue with me. Okay. So see you next time. Okay, bye. Hmm.